OneShot is a top-down depressing RPG maker game that's only on computers and consoles like the Nintendo Switch. But I want to change that. Computer, console, and mobile. So I made a board of it using the open source game engine Godot. Though it's incomplete, like very incomplete. I'm here to give you a brief video of what the mobile port would be like. Okay, we got the title screen. Very mobile optimized. The first thing you'll notice is that it has one machine addition movement, so it can move diagonally and is a little bit faster. Also, sprint function way earlier in the game. Now, the biggest thing that OneShot has is its fourth wall breaks. I've implemented functions like being able to view and edit files, but I have yet to figure out the winnowing stuff that the original game has, especially this one puzzle later in the game. There are a lot of stuff that I figure out, especially when both Apple and Google heavily lock down the operating systems. Given that, I have to adapt to those limitations and bend down to the will. We'll lose out on some immersion, but really is better than nothing. As you can see, the build I'm showing to you right now is more than incomplete. Missing textures, buggy dialogues, but you can move. There's also an interact button when you move near an object. That should be neat. But anyways, the item window got no borders on it, there's no way to tell if you're holding an item or not, and entering the passcode into the computer is weird. But you got the usual stuff for the real machine, yada yada, and oh? Native system window. I think the most challenging part of this whole thing right now was coding the footstep audio to play depending on what Nico is, like based on the floor material. Trust me, it took me weeks to figure it out. I'm still figuring it out because it just doesn't sound like it's playing no matter what I do. Also, the item system is very interesting. Since it's mobile, you can't really use keys and most people don't plug in keyboards to their phones, meaning I had to make different buttons to hold, unhold, and combine items. Now that we got a bench, it's time to... Oh. Yeah, there's no living room or kitchen. As I said, it's not really done, so there's nothing you can do after this point other than just walk around. Anyways, that marks the end of the demo. There's a lot of things I had to work out. If you want updates about this whole project that I'm doing, make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow my Twitter, or join the Discord server. Thanks for watching!